Yo, you good, dog? You coughing mighty hard, my G. Like, you straight? Yeah. I just coughed a little bit, bro. Like, it wasn't even that serious. I just coughed a little bit. I had a little something in my throat. I'm straight. I'm just saying, dog. Niggas ain't got time to get sick around here, man. If you sick, just let me know. Nigga, I'm straight. God, you tripping. Yo, you coughing again? Like, nah, G, you tripping. You over here coughing. Like, come on now. Ebola's real out here, dog. I ain't got time for that, bro. I'm out of here. I just told you. Nigga, I just had a little something in my throat. I just need to clear my throat. Calm your ass down, man. Ain't nobody sick. With your little dirty ass. Only thing dirty is that throat, nigga. With your rattler pride head ass. I'm out of here.